Village weddings in many parts of the world, including India and other Asian countries, are celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. The food served at these weddings often reflects the cultural traditions, local produce, and communal spirit of the village. The meals are typically prepared with love and care by family members and community members, creating a sense of togetherness and celebration. Here's a glimpse of the kinds of foods you might find at a village wedding. 1. Traditional dishes. Village weddings often feature traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. 1. These dishes can vary based on the region and cultural background. 1. For example, in Indian villages, you might find dishes like biryani, pulao, dal, vegetable curries, and various types of bread like chapati and naan. 2. Grains and lentils. Rice and lentils are staple foods in many village communities, and they are often an integral part of the wedding feast. 2. Different types of rice and lentil preparations, such as khichdi or mixed rice dishes, are served along with flavorful lentil soups. 3. Meat and poultry. Non-vegetarian options are also common in village wedding feasts. 3. Dishes like chicken curry, mutton curry, and fish curry are popular choices, especially for special occasions like weddings. 4. Vegetables and local produce. Village weddings make the most of fresh, seasonal vegetables and locally sourced ingredients. 4. You may find a variety of vegetable dishes, stir-fries, and salads using vegetables that are abundant at the time of the wedding. 5. Sweets and desserts. Sweets play a significant role in celebrations, and village weddings are no exception. 5. Traditional sweets like gulab jamun, jalebi, kheer, rice pudding, barfi, and laddu are commonly served to satisfy everyone's sweet tooth. 6. Refreshments. To keep guests hydrated and refreshed, various beverages are served. 6. You might find a selection of juices, lassi, a yogurt-based drink, and sherbets made from fruits or flowers. 7. Street food stalls. In some village weddings, especially in South Asian cultures, there may be street food stalls set up, serving snacks like chaat, a savory and tangy snack, pakoras, fried fritters, and samosas. 8. Community participation. Village weddings are often a community affair, with friends and neighbors coming together to contribute to the preparations and cooking of the meals. 8. This adds a sense of camaraderie and unity to the celebrations. 9. Emphasis on generosity. In many village communities, weddings are seen as an opportunity to show generosity and hospitality. 9. Guests are often encouraged to eat to their heart's content, and hosts take pride in serving abundant and delicious food. Village weddings are a wonderful blend of tradition, culture, and community spirit. The food served at these weddings not only nourishes the body but also reflects the warmth and love shared by everyone present to celebrate the joyous occasion.